Animal violence is a cruel reality that affects millions of animals worldwide. But there are small things that you can do today to help make a difference. First, educate yourself about animal welfare and the laws in your area. Second, support organizations that fight against animal cruelty, either through donations or volunteer work. Finally, speak up for animals and report any suspected cases of abuse or neglect to the appropriate authority. Remember, by taking action, you can help make a difference in the lives of animals in your community and